Hi, I hope that you're extremely good. On this lesson, I'm going to teach you double bracket expansion. How you expand double brackets. For instance, let's say you have this 2x plus 4 multiplied by 5x minus 1. Like this. Remember, brackets means multiplication. And as I told you on the last lesson on bracket expansion, I told you that when you're expanding brackets, the quantity that will be outside the bracket, it will multiply everything inside that bracket. So now, I'm going to teach you the easiest, fastest, and simplest method of expanding double brackets. Right. What you only need to do is you collect or you remove the first term like this. So the first term is 2x. And that first term is going to multiply the second bracket. Now, on the first bracket, we remain with positive 4. You are going to take positive 4 as well, and it will multiply the second bracket again. So, what I want to take note of is, if this was negative 4, this was going to be negative 4. As easy as that. I'm not going to teach you that crossing method of crossing, because in most cases, it will confuse you, because the lines will be too much. This one is smart and simple and straightforward. Right? Now, you are now applying what I told you. This 2 is going to multiply everything inside the bracket. Remember, the term or the quantity or the number outside the bracket, the quantity outside of the bracket, it will multiply everything that will be inside the bracket. So here, we are going to have 10x squared minus 2x plus 20x minus 4, like this. Then, the second thing that you are going to do is you are going to collect like terms and simplify. Lucky enough, in most cases, if you are simplifying double brackets, you are going to notice that the like terms will be the middle terms. Especially if you are having the same algebra and numbers without algebra at the end, or as your second terms on both brackets. So now we are going to simplify the middle terms because they are like terms. Negative 2x plus 20x. What is our answer? It's 18x. So your final solution here is going to be 10x squared plus 18x minus 4. This will be your final answer. You cannot simplify further from here. Why? Because there are no like terms anymore. Remember, x squared and x, they are not like terms. Even x cubed and x, they are not like terms. Even x cubed and x squared, they are not like terms. For them to be like terms, even if they are having the same algebra, the power or the exponent should be the same as well. So I'm trying to say that x squared is a like term with x squared. Simultaneously, x cubed is a like term with x cubed. Right, let us do last example. Let me erase this one first. And I want us to do the one that will be having a negative sign for you to completely understand. Let's say you have 2m minus and another algebra here, 3b, like this. And then here you have 5m plus b, like this. How are you going to solve this? As I told you, you take the first term, which is 2m, and it's going to multiply the second bracket. And the next term now is 3b, is going to multiply the second bracket. I hope that you viewed the first lesson on bracket expansion. I told you that if you're having a negative sign, that negative sign will change all the signs inside the bracket that it will be expanding. So here, this is going to be 10m squared plus 2bm. Someone might ask, where is the squared coming from? The squared is coming from when you say m times m is going to be, remember it's m to the power 1 here to the power 1. And according to laws of exponents or laws of indices, powers, when you're multiplying quantity with the same base, we add the power. So 1 plus 1, it would be 2. Now it would be 10m squared. And the other thing I want you to understand as well, when you're expanding brackets, number multiplies number, algebra multiplies algebra. simultaneously sine multiplies sine as well, right? Or you just have to know that if you have a negative sign, the negative sign will change all the signs that will be inside the bracket. It will be expanded. Here, this is going to be minus 15 bm minus 3b squared. Then it's going to be 10m squared. The ones, or our middle terms, they are like terms. The ones at the middle, they are like terms. So you can simplify them. 2bm minus 15bm, that will be negative 13 bm minus 3b squared. Do we have like terms? We don't have like terms anymore. So this is your final solution or your final answer. You cannot simplify it further. I hope that you completely understand how to expand and simplify double brackets. Double bracket expansion. My wish and prayer is for you to understand mathematics and pass mathematics with a distinction. Remember, mathematics was not difficult, is not difficult, and will never be difficult, even if only you stay focused. So you should stay focused.